Today we have a lot of animals. We have some farm animals and some wild animals. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first point is a tiger. This is a tiger.
Here and a there.
A tiger. A tiger is a wild animal. The next point is a hen. This is a hen. A hen. The next point is a camel. This is a camel. The next point is a dog. This is a dog. A lion. This is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. The next point is a sheep. This is a sheep.